Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look inspired by Kylie Jenner and Tati Westbrooke. Hey guys, so now I am baking my face. This not only helps with making the concealer more long wearing, but this is helpful in catching any fallout from the eyeshadow and makes it easy to dust it off. My face makeup I'm completely done with except highlighter, which I will apply at the very end. Now I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm using the Diprow pomade from Anastasia, Beverly Hills in the shade medium brown, and I'm going to fill them in with light strokes in the direction of the hair. And you want to make sure that the strokes are feathered, and then I'm going to brush it through to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Raw Sienna from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and then I'm going to apply this as a transition shade all on my crease and a little bit above my crease because I have slightly hooded eyes. And I'm so sure you guys are probably tired of hearing this now, but I'm using back and forth motions as well as circular motions. Also notice how I'm not taking the eyeshadow anywhere beyond the baking line, which is from the end of my eyebrow to the outer corner of my eye. I'm not taking the eyeshadow anywhere beyond that. Next, I'm going to take the shade Antique Bronze on kind of like a pointed crease brush, and then I'm going to draw kind of like a fake crease, but I'm going to make it soft. I'm kind of smudging it. So it's not exactly a cut crease, it's a soft cut crease, if you know what I mean. And I'm just going to smudge and blend this. Then I'm using the same brush that I applied the transition shade with to blend this out further. Next, on a flat shading brush, I'm going to take this bright pink neon shade from the Huda Beauty Electrics Obsession palette, which is one of my favorite palettes ever. And I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of the eye. I'm also making sure that I apply this on the inner part of the lower lid. Next, with an even smaller shading brush, I am going to pick up this pale pink color and I'm going to apply this to the center of the lid. I'm taking this all the way to the edge of the fake crease and applying this on the center of the lid. Next, I'm picking up this beautiful shimmery purple on a flat shading brush, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corners of my eyes. To be honest, this works so much better with my fingers than it did with a brush, but with a brush it's more precise, which is what I wanted for this look. That's why I'm using it. Next, with the blending brush, I'm going to blend all the colors that have reached the crease because I don't want color on the crease. And once the purple was exactly where I wanted it to be, I kind of patted in with my fingers to get it to the intensity that I wanted it to be at. Next, I'm taking the shade Vermeer from the ABH palette, and then I'm going to pat this on the inner corner. But I don't want this to be too strong. I want this blended in with the pink right at the very, very inner corner. Next, on a very small pointed brush, I'm going to take Antique Bronze again, and I'm going to run this all over my lower eyelid, very close to my lash line. Don't want to drag it down too much. Next, I'm going to pick up the brush that I applied the bright neon at the inner corners with, and without picking up any additional color, I'm going to blend this on the lower eyelid. Next, a thin layer of eyeliner, a little bit of Vermeer again underneath the arch, some mascara, and then we are done with the eyes. Next, I'm going to kick off the bake from underneath my eyes and underneath my contour, and I'm going to highlight, and then I am going to be done with my makeup. And there you have it, a beautiful pink purple eye. That was it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.